10, and I'm gonna show you guys something cool that all know how you can only put a helmet or a head on the almost 10, but I wanna show you guys how you can put the head and the helmet. Let's get it. And just for info, you can use this with any head, any mob head. So just look at me guys now. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of a cut. And now it's time to show you guys how. Banger! Okay, this is what you do first. First the helmet on top. Boom, boom, boom. Wait a minute. Boom, boom. This looks illegal to look at, so if this is somehow legal, Mojang, tell me. Cause look at this, you can barely hit the air, but it looks like Steve is wearing armor. And that's how you do. Just like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.